What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. You just got your iPhone 11. You should want to protect it. That's why I picked up this little bad boy. It's a case. I got this on Amazon. It is for the 6.1 2019 iPhone, which is going to be the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I think actually the cases don't necessarily, I'm kind of curious whether it's just based on size, because the housing here, whether you have the 2 or the 3 camera, I think is about the same. So I think you can use anything you want. Now, I picked this up because it was inexpensive and it has a leather-like look. It's called the Starred Original Design case, and you can see here it has, it looks like very much like an elephant hide leather, cowhide. But I don't know if it's real, and that's almost not the point. I kind of don't think it is. I think it's like a TPU. Has a little bit of a shine to it, but looks pretty good. It's nice and thick, which I think is something that you do want, but one of the telltale signs that it's not real is that it's got a great fusion here too, where it's obviously rubber. Now, these buttons are molded in on both sides, which is nice. I do like having that as opposed to a cutout where you actually have to reach in for it. Cut out there, you can see that the top and the corners kind of have that just the regular plastic look to them, and then we do have some air release bubbles on the inside. But like I said, this thing is thick. It's like maybe 1.5 millimeters, maybe even, you know, stretch it to 2 millimeters. So have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let's see, we'll just kind of put the bottom in first. There we go. All right, guys, spoiler alert. I'm going to tell you what, even though this thing says it's for the 11 Max, I cannot get this thing in. I want to show you here. I thought, all right, well, it's just really tight. I want to push this in and push it all the way to the top. But I want to show you something here. We're not even close to getting that around the bottom. So I tell you what, I'm going to put a link to this one in the description below so that you don't buy it. I don't know if it's mislabeled or what, but I actually don't mind the construction of it. I kind of think that this is the wrong case for this bag. So I think that this is just like your standard iPhone 11 case, and I don't have one with me to try yet. So I will try to do that and then take another look at this. But if you're looking for the Pro Max, beware of this one. But I'll put some other cool cases that we'll check out here soon. Peter Von Panda out.